Welcome back to Ballroom Feed. We're continuing on with our wedding style rumba, and this is the walk around turn. Let's get right into it.
All right, leader's footwork for this walk around turn. So the outline here for us is that we do two boxes. My first box is a straight box, the normal one. The second box is a rotating box to the left, where I rotate on my forward step. So this looks like for the first box, I did the normal forward left, side right, close the feet together, back right, side left, close the feet together. My second box now, I'm gonna go forward my left foot turning to my left, side and the right foot, close the feet together, and then finish a normal straight box, back on the right foot, side left, close the feet together. So my foot directions again are forward, side, together, back, side, together, forward on my left foot, side, together. I now have a quarter turn to my left, back on the right foot, side, together. Or my rhythm is gonna be slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. My timing is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
All right, let's go over the followers' footwork. So let's do that together, starting with a half of a box step, moving back on the right foot, side left, closing our feet together. So now we're gonna do 4 walks curving around. So we're gonna do the first step straight forward with our left foot. We're gonna start rotating a little bit to our right, going right foot forward, right foot forward, and now we're gonna turn a little bit more, and we're gonna do a side step on our left, closing our feet together, switching weight, and finishing with the forward half of our box step, forward left, side, and together. So we start this combination with the back half of the basic and then finish it with the forward half, so that sometimes helps learn the pattern itself once we put those together. So we do the back half going back, side, together. Left foot starts going forward, 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 forward. Then we're gonna go side, together, forward, side, together. So we are just walking underneath his hand. We're not doing a tight turn, so that's something to think about as well. And another thing is, from where we start, we're gonna end up rotating a total of 3/4 to our right, so we're gonna end up facing the side of where we started, okay? So let's do that again with just the general directions. Going back, side, together, forward, 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 side, together, forward, side, together. So it's very important that you understand these steps on your own, but it does make a lot more sense when you have a partner because you'll be ending facing your partner. So that being said, let's do some rhythm with just that. Ready and slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. Again, let's do that, but with some numbers. Ready and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, leading and following this walk around turn here. So what's important is I start the box, plain, normal box. As I go backwards here on my right foot, I let go of my right side to give her some space. We both go, or she goes walk, walk as I continue my box. We both go forward here with our inside foot and then rotate to face each other on the side together, and then just finish a normal straight box and then take dance position again. From the other side, half a box normally here. As I go backwards, drop my right side, pick up my left hand, just super light over her head. We'll both walk forward and rotate to face each other here, quarter turn to the left. Back half of a box. Together here together.
Okay, so one of the most important things that often happens with these walk around turn is what happens is the girl starts to try to trip over his foot like this and already start moving this way. So two things why we don't want to do this is A, we're going to start tripping over his foot because his foot is right there as you can see, and B, we're actually going to get too far away from him. So what we want to do is first start this left foot straight forward like our box step, nothing's changed. And then as he goes side, we have a clear path and we can walk underneath, and now we're perfectly aligned at the very end and it's very comfortable.
How I can help this, her coming forward, let's say I want to be a better leader here, right? I can lead the turn later to ensure that she does a full walk forward towards me before curving too early. So if we do a normal half a box here, I can get her into the forward step, then pick up the hand as I go to the side. So that ensures that she walked straight forward towards me, and then she gets to go walk around in the circle instead of tripping over my foot.
Let's go over some arm options for you. So we're gonna start with him, backside together. So on this forward step, we can just kind of keep our arm in front of ourselves like this. And then after we pass him, we can extend it out to the side and then finish just lending itself back into dance position, which is really nice and comfortable. So that way we're doing something with the arm, making those pretty pictures. If you have a longer dress that you're able to grab, that's also a great picture moment, especially if you're doing this for your first dance. So that's another great option. And then the guy could also open the arm or put it behind the back.
Yeah, leaders, you're welcome to also put this arm out to the side too. As she kind of walks around if you'd like to. Make kind of a bigger moment out of it, totally up to you.
So one more thing that is the harder part about the rumba style is the rhythm change. Easier when you're together in frame with your partner to stay on track, but you really have to understand the rhythm and keep it on your own. So that goes for the follower and for the leader. So what I mean is when we're in the frame together, it's nice and easy to stay with each other. Quick, quick, slow. We have to keep this, even though we're going forward, we have to go quick, quick, slow. Maintain that rhythm so we end up on time together. We're doing our steps in the rhythm and we're also staying on the music, of course. That being said, just like the box step, we want to keep those quick quicks a little bit smaller. Feels a little different when we're walking forward in a circle, of course, but just on the quick quicks, make sure your steps are small. That way you feel comfortable and you can keep that rhythm without kind of falling behind the music. Thanks so much for sticking to the end. If you liked this, be sure to give it a thumbs up so we know. And we also have many more Rumba videos for you, including on our website, ballroomfeed.com. So if you haven't yet, be sure to check it out. We have many more patterns and different combinations, routines, technique videos, all up on our website for you. So be sure to check it out if there's not enough Rumba for you here. And make sure you subscribe for more content. Comment down below what you want to see next, and we'll see you again very soon. Bye.